I'm growing peppers. I don't eat a lot of pepper. Better eat this one before it gets. That's a good one. Into this tunnel of love. Yowzers, 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 yowzers. Hello there. Hello there. I'm swishing your head. Well, I guess I like red Sergeant Pepper. Alright, yeah, and the green one. The green one tastes good. Got this girl that wants to scam me with crypto and fake taxes. Oh, but at least she calls me. This pepper to Ontario for speed racing and country music. A British accent, so I don't know what I'll find out. Cause I'm going to Executive Airport, borrowing a plane. Shoot. Some gifts. I'm gonna need some diversions, yeah. And it's a heckling time to do it right. Call done rather and say we got the frequency, yeah. And DeKalbG genetics, so we're gonna make these strawberries grow. Fields full. Oh, cool, we got another pepper as a gift. But no tomatoes, tomato. Alright, heather, weather, feather, sweater. Let's kidnap Brant Miller. Well, I'm still working on adult relationships and a full-time, high-paying job. Be like Mormons, all of us together, digging up dinosaur bones and making them come to life. Dimension doors, we're in the ball world. To sell the dinosaur bones, make millions, head to Ontario and settle the 50-second stay. Dimension doors, ball world, yeah, another time. I mean, that's a long Dimension doors. We're going through time and space dimension doors. Save it for later. Oh, we're gonna surf the Milky Way. Hope you enjoyed, kids. This has been another Unique production. Blah, 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 blah.